Well, here we are at Windsor Racecourse Marina on a somewhat bleak November day, and we've actually come to look at our boat. And I say that's Sydney, and I normally would go down that particular ramp to the boat, and we walk along that gangway there. Now that space over there, that space just there, that's where my boat normally lives. Just that one there. It's live, but we're actually going into the boatyard, and you'll see why in a minute or so. Here we are. So there's my boat, and what we're going to do now is we're just going to start at the bow, which is here. And we're going to have a look at the boat. So she's been out of the water because I really wanted to check on what the anti-fouling looked like shortly. So here are the out drives, and so one of the big things you can see is we've had these Sydney sit. We've had these sacrificial anodes fitted here. And the purpose of those, well, as the name implies, is they sacrifice themselves so the outdrive doesn't corrode. Now, in the spring, next March or thereabouts, I'm going to have the boat taken out of the water again, and it will be anti-fouled. But this is anti-fouling that's on here currently is suitable for the river. We're on the River Thames, we're near Windsor, and here you can see the on the other side. So it'll have new anti-fouling on, suitable for salt water, because we're going to be taking the boat to the Mediterranean, and all this will be replaced then with anti-fouling that's suitable. I hope you found that interesting, and there'll be a bit more of that a little later on about how we're getting on.